Hello everyone. So today we'll be solving this question. It's a little different from the questions that we have previously attempted. I think the first question that we did by changing them into partial fraction had no power. The second one had power as a whole, so x plus 7 as a whole would have power 2, but this one has x to the power 2 and not the whole. So for questions like this, what we normally do is, while changing them into partial fraction, we do this. The first one is unchanged. This is what we do. The second one is, however, a little bit different. So what we do is we introduce three constants, and then the numerator now contains 1 power of x. So if here there is x squared, then we use x over here and plus c, another constant. So now we just have to find the value of a, b, and c. That way we can just replace it. So the way we find the value of these, finally we'll get a constant, but now let's say they are variables, is the same as the process we followed in finding the values in previous questions. So it's just equating the coefficients, or in this case we can find the value of, I guess, a by keeping the value of x over here as -5. That way this whole term gets eliminated and we easily find the value of a, and then for b and c we just equate the coefficients. So if you equate it, then the value of a would be -1/2, b would be 1/2, and c would be 1/2 as well. So you can do it on your own, I guess. Now we just have to replace the values. So is equal to -1/2. The first one should not be difficult at all. The second one can cause some problems, but let's see. So b is 1/2. Oh, the dog is barking again. I hope that's not a problem. 1/2 times x plus, what's the value of c? 1/2 whole divided by x squared plus 7. Let's try to do this quick so that you don't get distracted by the noise of the dogs barking, times ln x plus 5 plus, what is it? Integration sign once again. Let's solve this first. So it would be x plus 1, I guess. Yes, over 2 times 1/x squared plus 7 dx. So what is the constant? 1/2 is the constant, is it? Yes, I think 1/2 is certainly the constant over here. Wait, let me just quickly finish part over here. X plus 1 remains on top, doesn't it? Yes, it does. X squared plus 7. And let's move to the other side. Yes. So is equal to -1/2 ln x plus 5 plus 1/2. Let's separate them into different integrals. X squared plus 7, I think, and then dx plus 1/2 1/x squared plus 7 dx. So this is simple, so let's bring it in front and just get rid of it. Plus 1/2 ln x squared plus 7. Now here comes the maybe a little difficult part, but then the derivative of x squared plus 7 would be 2x, and we already have x over here. So what we can do is, let's consider this whole term to be a, not that a, but then a different a. So and what we can do is we can deal with it separately, or let's say 1/2a, just this to be a. So integration of x over x squared plus 7 dx is equal to what is it, x squared plus 7 is equal to p. That way what we can do is dp over dx is equal to 2x. Therefore dp over 2 is equal to x dx. So x dx would be, what would it be? Would be dp over 2. So 1 over 2 dp over p is equal to 1 over 2 ln p is equal to 1 over 2 ln, what is p? X squared plus 7. Oh, do we have two things in common? I think we do. Yep. So that way we can just replace the value of this as 1 over 4. Oh, this is just the additional part. I think the rest of them are the same. 1 over 4 ln x squared plus 7 plus c. So there you go. This is the final answer to this question. This is just for you to learn how we took the derivative, how we took the integration of this number. So I think it's very clear how we do this question. And yes, some of you might be wondering how can the integration of this and this be similar, but remember we have this additional 1 over 2 that makes the difference. Here there is x, here there is no x, so 1 over 2 comes. So that's the difference. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you learned something and hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you.